Here. This is what Aunt S sent you today. Look. What is it?
I don't know.
Well, look at it. What is that? What shape is that? What shape is this? What shape is this?
Where?
Yes, it's a square. What is that called? A book, right?
A book.
Open it up and see who's on the front. It's Curious George.
Curious George.
They're stickers.
Yay, stickers.
Flip through them so we can see.
Okay, Mimi, you need to get down and brush your teeth. Come on.
I want it.
Do you know who sent it to you? Look at me. Do you know who sent it to you?
I don't know.
It's Aunt S.
It's my pet.
Look at the camera. What would you like to tell her?
Thank you.
And
I don't know.
thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And blow her a kiss. You have to blow it. And blow it. There you go.